Alright, got another video here. You got 6 packs of Core 2021. Pretty nice. Got sort them out like that. Also picked up this Mechagodzilla foil because that's pretty badass. So start cracking them open. Hopefully this goes better than Our Devastation, which I mean for Insanity is not bad, but I also opened up some packs of Dragons of Tarkir, in which I didn't really get anything. Don't mind my nails, just got back from work. So, got a foil, good start. Foil rare would be really nice. So, Tavern Swindler, Unleash Fury, Tillarian Kraken, Ghostly Pilfer, Light of Promise. So, uncommon beast. Foil. Honestly, only 6 packs, so hopes for a Mythic aren't too high, but it would be nice. So we got Archfiend's Vessel, Heartfire Immolator, Conclave Mentor, and Temple of Triumph. Always like getting those lands. Jungle Hollow, Soldier. Rare lands, never usually a bad thing for the most part. I'm going to fix the camera a little bit. And then move those over. As you see, right over there, I got a box of Keldheim to open. That'll be fun. Hoping for a alternate art Coma foil, which would be really nice. Furious Rise, Bad Deal, Aven Gagglemaster, and a Baneslayer Angel. There we go. We got a Mythic. And a cool alternate art island. To be honest, don't know the price listings on this set, but never mind getting Mythics. Ooh. Got a Chandra's Pyreling. Cool. Carrion Grub, Bastry's Solidarity, Nyambi. Not pretty cool. 2 more packs. Oh, we got something there. Cultivate, Hellkite Punisher, Gormand, See the Truth, and nice, a foil rare, Sabura Tolzidi Caravaner. So that's really awesome. Going pretty well so far in terms of rares and mythics. Alright, final pack. Let's see what we get. Canopy Stalker, Shipwreck Dowser, Silvermost Go, and another Nyambi. So, got the foil rare and good old Baneslayer Angel. Pretty cool artwork. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and I will be opening this guy next.